கரை தொடும் நுரைகளே நுரைகளில் இவள் முகமே சிறு நதிகளே நதியிடும் கரைகளே கரை தொடும் நுரைகளே நுரைகளில் இவள் முகமே கரை தோறும் அடாரும் இசை பாடும் கங்கை வரும் யமுனை வரும் வையை வரும் பொருணை வரும் கங்கை வரும் யமுனை வரும் வையை வரும் பொருணை வரும் मीठा है कोसा है बारिश का बोसा है कोसा है कोसा है बारिशों का बोसा है मीठा है कोसा है बारिश का बोसा है कोसा है कोसा है बारिशों का बोसा है चल 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 बेटा चल
O noble one, who are you? You look like a prince, but you're dressed up like a hermit.
Oh, beautiful one. My name is Satyavan, son of King Dyumatsena, who has been exiled to the forest. Who are you?
I am Savitri, daughter of King Ashwapati. I have set on a journey to see the world.
Oh, Savitri, I have heard a lot about you. Your intelligence is unparalleled. Gifted will be the man who gets your hand in marriage. Can you please ask your questions to me?
What is the true nature of the sun, and where is the sun established?
Truth is the actual sun, and sun is established in truth.
What is the conduct similar to a non-virtuous person?
Criticizing others is the conduct similar to a non-virtuous person.
What is that which, when renounced, makes one lovable?
Pride, if renounced, makes one lovable.
Oh Satyavan, you are definitely lovable. You have answered all my questions.
Princess Savitri arrives at the court with her mind fixed on marrying Satyavan. But there is a surprise waiting for her. Let's wait and watch.
Maharaj, Princess of Mathura has arrived at the court.
Welcome her. Welcome, my dear daughter.
Greetings, father.
Come, my child. It's a pleasure to see you after a long time. Have you found a match?
Yes, father. I am pleased to inform you that I have chosen a prince named Satyavan.
Oh, is that so?
He is the son of King Dyumatsena.
King Dyumatsena.
He has lost his eyesight and his kingdom, and now they're living in the forest.
Maharaj, Maharishi Narad has arrived at the court.
Welcome him. Bring him in.
Narayana, Narayana. God bless you all.
Oh, Maharishi, welcome to our kingdom. Please be seated.
King Ashwapati, there's joy all around the palace.
Yes, yes. My daughter has finally selected a match for her.
That's a big news. Savitri, can you name him?
Namaste, Maharishi. His name is Satyavan, son of King Dyumatsena.
Satyavan? Son of King Dyumatsena? Oh, King, how will I tell you?
Maharishi, what's wrong with him? Is he not a good man?
No. He's as good as his name. But he's destined to live for only one more year.
What? Only for one more year?
Oh Lord, I cannot see my daughter as a widow. Please don't let Savitri marry Satyavan.
Dear Savitri, please do not marry Satyavan.
Yes, dear daughter, we cannot see you as a widow.
Father, just as wealth is divided between brothers only once, a daughter too is given only once. Whether he leads a long life or a short life, whether his life is full of virtues or devoid of them, I have already chosen him as my husband and can therefore never think of choosing another. First, it is in the mind which decides what's to be done, and then the speech utters it, and finally we have to perform the action. It is my mind's firm decision to marry him and only him.
Maharishi, what do we do now?
It's God's will. All's well that ends well. Do not worry. She shall be married to Satyavan only. She'll find a way to save him from the clutches of death.
Maharishi, you are my guru. Your wish is my command.
Bless you, my children.
Dear Savitri, you may marry Satyavan. We will make arrangements. Bless you, my child. O King Dyumatsena, I am King Ashwapati and I have come to meet you.
O King Ashwapati, welcome to my humble abode. But what could have brought you here?
O King Dyumatsena, I am here to seek your son's hands for the marriage of my daughters.
Is that true? Is that true?
Yes.
God be praised. My son is going to get married. Oh dear, our son is going to get married. Satyavan, my son, where are you? Satyavan, come here at once.
Namaste, father.
Bless you, my child. Satyavan, this is King Ashwapati. He has come here to ask for your hand in marriage to that of his daughter.
Your wish is my command, father.
I understand, my son. You may leave now. O King Ashwapati, I gladly accept this proposal.
It's divine will that brought them together. Let us make arrangements for their marriage.
Yes, let us make arrangements.
And Savitri got married in the forest with Maharishi Narad's blessings. Savitri gave up her regal life for her love, Satyavan, and moved to the forest to begin a new life with him.
आजा रे थर 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 हाँ कांपे थर थर हाँ डर डर जी से डर अब नाना बातों में बोला बोला रे बोला मोर बदला रे दिल का भूगोल नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय हे धिकड़ाक आजा उनकी सराट पैरों से बीड़ी मेरा खून नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम
Oh, dear prince, may I please come with you to the forest today?
To the forest? Why do you want to come with me to the forest? It's full of wild animals.
I just want to be with you.
Yes, Savitri, of course you can. But please get father's permission.
Namaste, father.
Bless you, my child.
I seek your permission to accompany my prince to the forest today.
Dear daughter, ever since you came here, you have not asked for anything. This is your first wish, and it shall be granted. May God fulfill your desire.
Thank you, father.
Bless you, my child.
I shall accompany you today.
Savitri, after having obtained permission from her in-laws, she set out with her husband to the deep forests. Though Savitri was born a princess and destined to live in the palace, she married Satyavan and had to suffer the hardships of the forest. Outwardly, she seemed normal and happy, but inside, she was burning with the fire of torment. Savitri was constantly watching over her husband. She was convinced that Narada's words were definitely going to come true. She believed that Satyavan was going to breathe his last today. But she never gave up. Savitri was determined to fight any power for her love.